Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I have yet another Kwikset pinned by me. This was the original key that came with it. I just modified the pins, and I don't know, but that's what the bitting looks like. Now, let's see if we can get her open for a little bit of entertainment. Let's see what we got. Strange thing was is that the other day I came across one of these Kwiksets that surprisingly had spools in it. It was an old lock I was swapping out. Complex I work at now, we use those Kwikset smart keys with the two locks, the master up top, and you know that your normal Kwikset key doesn't seem to fit in. Only a special key does. So that's what we're switching to, and I took the old one off the door of the apartment, and well, that's what it was. It had spools in it. 'Cause, you know, I take them apart to investigate them to see what's in them. You know, because now I'm into that, and you know, then I bring them home and do whatever I want with them. And got myself into a full set here, and it doesn't seem like I'm able to do anything else. But I have no idea what I've done to these locks, because you know, hit them up, throw them in a box. That's all she wrote. So I'm going to start over again. And hopefully I can get it this time. There's a nice click. And by the key, it seems like all the magic's going to happen toward the back, but still not getting anywhere with this. And lucky me, I guess I was getting further than I thought. So either I'm getting better at picking, or I just suck at making rocks. Anyway, let's go ahead and see what I put in this bad boy, and zoom out here and you can see what I'm doing. Alright, go ahead and lock her back up. And the key works just fine. And I left the whatchamacallit on here, so let's just bend that over. These days are getting pretty long for me lately. Ooh, almost lost that pin. Alright. Not sure what all magic I did to this. I'm going to go ahead and look. I'm going to pull all these out and then we're going to go ahead and check them out. Once I get them out, seems to work best for me. So this was only a 5-pinner. I don't know if you can see or not, but I did thread 1 and 5. I got a little something in my eye tonight, but anyway, was not expecting this one to be easy. Try to orient these pins the way I took them out. There you go. Man, it's been a pretty long day for me. And rather busy at work. Did it come out? Okay. No rest for the wicked, I guess, right? Wife wants a garden, so I've been trying to read up on how to do that, because, you know, I'm not a farmer. I didn't really thread anything upstairs, it looks like. But anyway, show you what we got here for key pins. If I can get my phone out of here without turning it off. And we're going to see if this bad boy focuses so you can see what we got here. We got this little guy right here. I don't know what you call half of these, but I know they were a little bit of fun to make. I don't know if my phone is going to focus in on that bad boy, but guess you can kind of see that. This guy here was standard. And spool with a serration at the bottom. Another standard. Then we have double spool here. As for the top pins. A spool with a nasty serration on that. Kind of degresses downward as it gets to the serration. a T-pin, which I realize now I probably should have shimmed that, but I got lucky. This guy here, serrated of some type. And this one here, I took a key pin, turned them upside down, and kind of made like a bullet style out of it. Missile, whatever you want to call it. And this guy here is just a spool. And we got a steel spring, short steel spring, short copper, and another steel spring that kind of was more stretched out. But that's what I got. It was definitely a lot of fun to make anyway. So thank you all for watching. Remember, don't break the law and pick on.